Hello YouTube, so we are heading to the Jordan River.
Good morning. It is 5:58 and the current temperature outside is 59 degrees.
It's surprisingly cold.
We're both in sweaters. We're just fixing to get this gate open and get out, and we gotta go put some gas in the car and also pick up some dog nuts and some Mountain Dew. We got our dip bait, and yeah, we're ready to do some fishing this morning. So we'll see you down at the water. All right, me and Garrett made it to the river. We're just gotta get our stuff out and get out there. And then we're in the process of working on getting a different camera situation going on. Right now we're just using my cell phone, and yeah, we just want to get better quality equipment. So we're working on that. So please bear with me, and I'm still working on a way to get these videos off my phone and onto my computer so I can do a proper edit on the videos, but I'm still working on that. So please be patient with us, and I hope you enjoy the video. You all right? Okay. Me and Garrett got our chairs all set up. We got our Mountain Dew, donuts, and we're out in the water. And it's a lot chillier right here by the river, wouldn't you say, bud?
Yeah, I have my hoodie on.
Yeah. The river is looking pretty good. It has gone down a little bit more, but yeah. And I am so glad that I put brand new line on our rods. So we're using braided fishing line. And oh my gosh, these rods were so much easier to cast out this morning. What a difference. All right, well, shoot. I think I might have had something playing with mine there for a second. All right, well, we'll hope to have some channel cats to show you guys, or anything, really. I don't care if it's what we catch. How about you, bud?
I don't know.
You don't care what we catch, right?
Unless we somehow catch a shark, then...
It would have to be a freshwater shark, and I doubt that'll happen. All right, I'll keep you posted. As soon as I turned the camera off, Garrett just got slammed. We're gonna see if it comes back. I mean, the minute I turned the camera off, I was looking for my little drink holder to put my cell phone in it. Happened to look over, and Garrett's pole is just bending over.
My string is moving weirdly too.
All right, Garrett, I think you might be there.
Do I grab it?
No?
No, it's not.
Oh, man. All right, we'll get them baited up and get them back out there.
That's weird.
Garrett, first bite of the night, or the morning. All right, giving you guys an update. So nothing since Garrett's good bite he had there. I was really surprised that fish wasn't there. I mean, it hit his rod really good. But me and Garrett were just in here chatting about that full moon that we had last night.
Might have fed all the catfish.
It might have fed the fish.
Which is a problem.
But I've had that problem fishing for trout. Fishing after a full moon for trout was pretty hard. For using bait for trout. Lures, is different, because the lure will piss a trout off, yeah, and then the fish will attack the lure. But catfishing on full moons has usually never been a problem for me, but I'm wondering, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think full moons affect channel cats? That is something I'm curious about. And I know I've fished plenty of full moons, day after full moons, and gotten catfish. But yeah, so anyways, thought I would give you guys an update, and we'll check with you guys here again soon. All right, my pole just got a tap. I'm gonna hand the phone over to Garrett. We'll see if he comes back. Just a quick tap. That's all. That's what it did. That's all there is to it, I guess. These catfish, I swear. I mean, Garrett's pulled twice. His pull went like that twice. Didn't get hooked. Mine just went nice little slam and then nothing. Crickets. Alright, we'll keep you guys posted.
Yep.
Right.
He's so disappointed about this. At this point, the fish is just teasing us.
Okay, my pole definitely got another bite.
Probably took the rest of your bait.
Dadgum.
Fish know. They know they're trolling us. Dang, fish.
I know the minute I turn off the camera, it's gonna come back and it's gonna bite, and you guys aren't gonna be able to see it.
I swear, these fish know.
Oh, there we go. I'm gonna get the camera to Garrett.
Did it leave?
Nope. And I got some shit or some stuff on my pole. Pardon my language, YouTube. I won't be able to edit that out. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm trying to keep this channel family friendly.
What is that?
Oh, it was just like a stick. But yeah, so I'm gonna freshen up my bait. I'm gonna freshen up Garrett's bait, and then we're gonna get back out there because I think these fish are starting to get active here.
These fish suck.
Me and Garrett are using our bite alerters today. So how it works, so you just turn it on right here. And if anything touches our pole, I mean, it's really sensitive. If I was just to pull on our line a little bit, it would go off. All my poles that have had that, I never used it. And yeah, so I I thought, why not? You know, we have it, why not use it? So we're gonna give it a go today. I thought it would be too sensitive because of the Jordan River, but apparently it seems to be working really good. It's not going off constantly. And that's the experience I had in the past. It was it just beeping because of the current. Sunrise is not gonna be till 6:33. What time do you have, Mr. Garrett?
It is 6:47.
Well, I guess it's up, but yeah, days are getting shorter. Fall's gonna be here soon. And like I said, me and Garrett are planning on keeping this channel going even during the winter, and when we're not out fishing. We have talked about doing some kind of a fishing podcast, outdoors podcast, and some of the videos might only be 12 minutes long, if that. Yeah. But yeah, and then we're also gonna go and scout new fishing spots to hit next spring. So
Yeah.
but yeah, I mean, if the weather's good in the winter, and yeah, we'll come out and fish for a little bit until it gets too damn cold. But all right. Okay, something pecking at my pole right now.
I'll take it.
It's a stick.
Look at that. We got it.
Green earth is this?
We got another stick to add to the stick that's already in there.
If that's not the best catch of the day.
That's absolutely wonderful. We got a stick. Son, what did you catch? I caught a stick.
Hold on, Garrett. Keep the camera on. Are you keeping it rolling?
Yeah.
It's about, I don't know, with it being wet, probably 1.5 pounds. Gotta have fun while you're fishing, you know?
Exactly. You're out fishing, you gotta have fun. So, yeah. That was funny.
Alright.
Alright, well, I'll update you later, YouTube.
Someone's dog came down to pay us a visit. Looks like it's been swimming in the river.
Yeah, there's been some
Eating bait.
There's been some splashing over to the right.
Hey, go home. All right. Hey, Garrett just got hit, and then it went right over to mine, and now I'm getting a bite. And now I hit record, nothing. Oh, it's
I swear.
so aggravating.
I swear, these fish know. They know.
Garrett, I might have to have you hold on to that for a little bit. Keep it on the poles. Crazy. Garrett might have to hand me the phone now. His is acting up.
Bro, these fish are trolling us.
You didn't zoom in, did you? Yeah, you did. A little bit. Yeah, it's like every time I see us get a bite, I hit record and it goes away. Dadgummit. I think I might have another stick on my pole.
The legendary fish.
My line is going loose, tighten, and it's shaking as it's tightening up a little bit. I think it's either got to be a bite or it's got to be another stick on my pole. But I'm going to keep the camera rolling here because it's a little sus. Sorry. Had to.
A little sussy.
Nothing. Okay, so that does tell me that was a Mr. Channel Cat messing around. We'll get back out there.
Alright. Well.
Okay, so here's the deal. We haven't caught anything, but we've gotten some bites. Poor Garrett's learned a valuable lesson today, haven't you, bud?
Never wear Crocs to fishing because it's so damn cold.
It's really chilly this morning, and his poor feetsies are cold. So we're gonna pack it up and call it a day. But we both got some good bites. They just weren't hooking up. But it's always fun to get out and just do it, you know. So
Yeah.
thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Once again, I'm sorry to show a video where we haven't caught anything, but that's fishing though. You know, I like to show the realism. You're not always going to catch fish. If you watch any of my old videos, there's plenty of fishing trip videos that I did. I didn't catch a damn thing, but getting out there and doing it is what's important. You don't want anything to add before we end it?
I'm cold.
He's cold. The ducks are going to go sit in the sun.
I might join him.
All right, thanks you guys for watching. Give it a like, and then subscribe if you haven't already, and have a good one.